Hey there, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised I'm not your financial advisor. Everything that I'm saying here is based on my opinion. And please always do your own research. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you're gonna get updated for more videos. Now let's dive in XRP US dollar. As you can see, we got a multiple rejections here. So the thing that I'm expecting, that I've thought yesterday, didn't happen. But as you can see here, in your RSI, some hidden bullish divergence. As you can see here, we have this downtrend momentum, and your RSI is an uptrend momentum, which is a bullish divergence on a daily time frame. But here's take a look for your short-term time frame first before we tackle the most exciting part. So as you can see, a clear rejections here, continuous rejection. Also, we break this trend line here, the downtrend, but look at your RSI, even in hourly, still creating an uptrend channel. This one is lower than this one, so that's a good thing. While the chart looks bearish, the RSI looks bullish. So I'm expecting some price drops or consolidation within this area here. Maybe we can go like this, drop, pump there, or somewhere around we can create this downtrend here, while your RSI is gonna go like this. So we create this and this. That's a bullish divergence. So in any other way, we are in panic, we are in doubt right now. Some of you are depressed because of the prices dropping. But just like the other says, if you're in doubt, just zoom out. So let's gonna talk about your weekly time frame first. I have something to show you. Most important thing, we are saying that if we break this 50 EMA here, this yellow line here, if we break this, then there's a lot of possibility for a bear market. I am guessing, just like I am saying, prepare for 2026. I don't know if we're gonna hit the all-time high this year, but probably we will, maybe by next year. So how did I say that? So look at the charts. It's saying that it will consolidate. It will, and it bleeds, and it will lose, it will liquidate. It doesn't matter. But I believe, I still do believe, we still have that one last pump before we enter the bear market. Oh, and I don't know, but in my opinion, Binance will collapse like FTX and Terra Luna. Don't get me wrong about that. It's just my opinion, and please always do your own research. So as you can see here, we're still trading above the 50 EMA. So I was just thinking maybe we could drop here, create another hammer here, or on the third week we're gonna see this, but pumps and close as a hammer here. That's what I am thinking. And in the last week of October, we're gonna see some reversal to the upside, and it will start the bull case scenario. And I hope it will. So if you're still in doubt, just fucking zoom out. Okay, let's go on the monthly chart. This one is the most interesting part here. As you can see here, the 20 EMA is still holding the prices. What's most important thing, if we break this 20 EMA in your monthly chart, in case we close a candle below this 20 EMA, that's a confirmation that we're gonna enter a bear market. So here it goes. The monthly close is closing like this, and this is your 20 EMA. We're gonna come back up, we test the 20 EMA, and then continue to go down. That's your bear market case. Okay? How did I say that? Because look at this. You see that? You see this candle closing here, closing here. Then we retest, but we got rejected and entering the bear market. Okay? But as long as we're here right now, you see this? We're here right now. Still above the 20 EMA. Even this. Even this chart. Even this. We broke down. We back up. Go down again. But still, on the third month, we managed to go up and break the 20 EMA. That's why we have a continuous bull cycle here. And of course, the last one is here. I am waiting for this one, the 20 EMA that crosses the candle before a major pump. Look at that pattern and look at this pattern. This pattern now is a combination of 2021 and 2017 pattern. Yeah, how did I say that? Because of this wicks and going pump dumps scenario while still holding the 20 EMA. Also this one, this candlestick is near this 20 EMA. So I'm hoping that, and I am seeing the 20 EMA is gonna go like this, and by November candle here, and by December a blast off and a blow off top in January 2026, or furthermore first quarter of 2026. Maybe it takes time, cause most of us knows the 4-year cycle, so they're gonna change it. And lastly, look at this. We have this 1, 2, third candle here, right? And a good consolidation. Look at those 3 candles and a consolidation. Look at we now. Here's your 1, this is your 2, this is your third candle, and we consolidate. Same pattern, right? So expecting $100, $50, maybe in the next cycle. Now let's use the Fibonacci extension, trend-based Fibonacci extension from this low to this high and this low. As you all can see, this is a perfect 7 Fibonacci extension. You see that, but we still have this wick here. So let's make a measured move for that. After hitting a 7618, we still have 16%, 16.9% to the local top. Now let's do that right now. So I'm gonna use this as the top, because this one is much higher than this. So if we do this, this is your low, put it in this top, and this is another low. As you all can see, your 7 Fibonacci extension here came off with the $23 and 16.9% to the upside. We measured this Oh, this, by the way, my 25 prediction is 7%. So if you manage to go with 16 there, maybe you can have this 27 US dollars as the top of the market. But I'm gonna say 25 to 26 US dollars the top of the market. But if I adjust this as to be this as is short top, okay, I'm gonna say that we're gonna see this 4618 aligns with the 15, and your 7 aligns with the 22, 21.87. Then if you manage to go with this price range, it's near 25, right? 25, 26. So it's almost there. But no one can predict the top of the market. No one can time to predict the market. So my safest bet is this one, 21 US dollars. So yeah, that's, if you learned something for today, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you, bye bye, God bless.